Alright guys, let's take a look at your homework from last night. This was 6.5, and it says describe the relationship between the graphs. So if I'm going to look at this graph and how I would describe this, there's a couple things, important things that I would point out. First of all, this is a constant, right? We have a constant increase, then there's a peak, then it goes downwards to a valley, right? Comes back out, then right in here it stays level, right? So that's like a plateau. It would plateau there. Finally, it would curve in a positive way. So let me write that out. So my description is, in the graph it starts with a constant positive line, then peaks, comes down a little, then goes positive until it plateaus before it curves upwards. Now let's look at number 2. This one here starts off positive, but there's always a curve in here. Then it peaks, it curves back down. Then it comes down into this valley, and then it curves up. And so this is how I would describe this one. So my description on number 2 would be, this graph starts with a positive curve, peaks, then the curve peaks, starts with a positive curve, peaks, and then curves downwards to a low point, and then curves back up positively. Number 3 is we're going to sketch a graph, and for this graph, I'm going to put time on the bottom, and this is texting. And so it says you're texting a friend at a constant rate. You send a message, then wait for a response. Once you receive a response, you begin texting a reply at a constant rate. And so what I think this looks like would be something like this. You're texting at a constant rate, and then when you wait, your texting goes down to 0. And then you get a response, and you start texting again at a constant rate. And that's what I think the sketch would be for 3. Number 4, we're going to sketch another graph. On the bottom, I'm going to put time. And over here, this would be nail length. It says you cut your fingernails, let the nails grow back, and then cut them again. So let's say that your nails are this long. When you cut them, I'm going to drop it to right here, and maybe you could represent that as a line. You're going to drop them, and then they're going to start to grow back. And we should have like a positive line. And then you cut them again. And probably this should show a positive line, because the length is going to continue to grow. And that's how you would do 4. There is no additional lesson for today. Friday, which is tomorrow, your homework will be to work on iReady. Monday, when we come back, we will start to do our chapter review. And then we'll probably give you 2 days on the chapter review, so that'll be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday we will take the test.